My name is Dr. Suvarna Khalap. I've been entrepreneur for last 38 years. I've been practicing dentistry, and I have 3 clinics in Bandra and Mahim. And not only I saw that my children also do it, and they also follow the process and do big in what is my way of looking at trading. See, as an entrepreneur, and for any business, anything you see, whether it is a small business or it's a big business, you need investment, you need maintenance cost, as well as you need lot of following it. It requires lot of your time and energy also. Now in trading, if you look at it as a huge opportunity, right from small investment, and the opportunity is so big, you can do it so big, it depends on your dream, how big you want to dream. There is no limit. And best part you don't need any maintenance. What you need is only a laptop and not even a place. Even if you are traveling, even if you are in train, or even if you are sitting in US, or whether you are in India, or whether you are in Goa, you can do this business anywhere. That is the biggest advantage of trading. And one day you want to see, I am a busy practitioner. If I want to take a holiday, but if I am committed to my patient, I can't sit at home. But trading, I don't want to do it. Today mera mood nahi hai. I want to attend a function, or I want to do this. I am always free. And I was always doing a traditional way of investments. Like gold, real estate and this and that. But my CA said, if you want to really make it big, this is the only place on the earth, I am telling you, in the world, where you can, and there is no limit. Only sky is the limit. And who is your enemy? You yourself is your enemy. If you follow the process, if you follow the discipline, and again, he will not like it, but I am saying I have taken training from many of this, I have learned books, but the way he teaches, and there is only one method, which he teaches, which is absolutely great. I have no words to say. If you follow the process, you can do it big as you want to do it. There is absolutely no limit in this world. Okay? So I feel if you have seen the opportunity and it is knocking at your door, and if you are still thinking, who is the loser? You are the loser. That's it. Thank you very much.